Welcome back, guys, to my channel, Christine Jamaican Living. Today, as you can see, I am in the salon and we have this beauty sitting in the chair. I'm gonna do a shampoo and style on her, but before I do, I'm gonna show you how to clean the scalp when there is excess buildup on the scalp. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as I have more wonderful videos available. Guys, you know what to do by now. You're gonna go and tap that button and hit that notification bell. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. This beauty has so much hair. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna clean the scalp. It's really good to do it every now and then to clean your scalp, to get that excess buildup off. Oil, products, it's always good to have your scalp clean. I detangle a little bit because she had her twists in, so we took her twists down and we kind of detangle a little. So if you could look closely, you could see the buildup of the product on the cape right here. Her scalp is not too bad today, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean it. So you need a piece of cotton and some sea breeze. Very good. And if you do this on your kids or anyone, it feels so good. The feeling of it on your scalp, it feels so good. Plus, you know, of course, your scalp is really clean. So all you have to do is just rub. So just go in, you part, you rub. I didn't do a clean part because I'm not doing a style. I'm just cleaning her scalp really quick. Normally when I do this, I'm moving fast. And you see the difference? Okay. How is your scalp when I put it on? Yeah, it does. So you want to just get this excess buildup. Oil, products. And I love to do this to my clients that, let's say they had a weave, they take their weave down, or they did braids. You could definitely see a lot of buildup in the hair when you do that on the scalp. Clean around the ear line. Whenever I do this for my clients, they always say, oh my goodness, this feels so good. A lot of times they come in, they're asking me, can you please clean my scalp for me? So now when you do that shampoo, you know that scalp is well clean. Well clean. See, very easy and simple. Piece of cotton, some sea breeze, just go in. You don't have to do any clean part. As you see, I am even using my finger just to go in. And sea breeze is a good antiseptic. There we go. So now I'm gonna do her shampoo. Not bad. After the shampoo and deep conditioner, detangle, I'm gonna go in and moisturize. Always wanna moisturize. What I love about the Sea Breeze, it does not dry the hair out, which is awesome. So I'm just going in, put some moisturizer, because you always, as I said, it's very important to moisturize. When the hair is dry, that's when it breaks. So you always wanna do your moisturize or moisturizer. Man, lot of hair. Lot of hair, lot of hair. And I'll probably just do 4 braids. So after I moisturize, I'm gonna do a blow dry on her. So you wanna comb. Let it go right in. You always want to section, because if you try to do it where you don't section the hair out, you're gonna feel like, oh my goodness, with all this hair, you're gonna be like, what am I doing? It's like you end up getting lost in the hair. So it's always section, part the hair out, and you do a section at a time when the person have a lot of hair. Just want to show you after the blow dry. This is what it looks like after the blow dry. What I did, I went in and I grease the scalp, because you know it's a protective style, so you want to, as I said, moisture. And that moisturizer that I used on her earlier, that I spray on her, it's so good. It has 14, it actually does 14 things. So with me doing the blow dry, it also is a thermal protector. So it's a heat protector also. It's a detangler. It treats the hair. It does a lot of things, 14 things. It's an anti-breakage serum. So I love using it. As I said, I just go in and I make sure greasing the scalp. The braid that I'm using on her has some color in it. She always wants color, but it's not time for her to get any color yet. So just put some braids in just to give her some more length. And that's it. This is the hair that I'm gonna use in her, or I've been using, and it says 85 inch. So what I do is I cut it in half, and when I cut it in half, then I take half of this half. So I cut it in half, and then I take half of this, which is this, and I'm gonna braid it in her hair. Okay, so after cutting it half, and then with that half, I separate it in two, right? So this is the amount that I want. What I do is I try to get it uneven so it's not blunt. When you know, because you know when you cut it, it's gonna be blunt. So you wanna get it where you stretch the ends, because this is not a pre-stretched hair. So you know, it didn't come already stretched. So you get the uneven ends, you know, so you have something to braid all the way down, just like so. Okay, and I'm doing some big knotless braids on her. I'll show you another video how I do my knotlets. I'm using a little bit of edge control that I found. And as I said, we're just doing it just to give her a little bit of length and as a protective style, so she don't have to get up and be fussing about doing her hair. So with the knotless braids, it's just that you're doing the braid inside, so you don't have that lump. And this Kimberly is getting a little bit of color with the hair that we're using. Trying not to do it too tight. You don't want to braid to be too tight. You don't want to be pulling the hair up, strands of hair, when it's too tight. You want it to be tight enough where it holds, but not tight where it's pulling the hair out. And you see what I mean when I say we stretch the hair out instead of leaving it blunt, because when you cut it, that's how it is. So you want to make, I would say, a little tail. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna do a cornrow, just like how I did this one here on this side. So what I do is I can roll her hair, and then I did less hair. You notice the hair is less, and I'm gonna attach it at right here. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. while I'm braiding, I'm using my finger to comb, to grab the hair. Gets tangled, use your finger to detangle while you keep moving. All right, so I get to the end right here of picking up the hair from the scalp, right? So let's make sure it's on. Now I'm going right up under. So I get some right here in that side, some over this side, catch it right in, continue with the braid down. Hope you can see the color. Yep, baby. Okay, guys, so here we have it. Miss Kimberly got some braids, but she really, what we brought her in the salon to do was to clean her scalp, which we did. We did a shampoo, conditioner, put some moisture in, oil the scalp, put some braids. Fast, easy, simple. That's it. That's all Miss Kimberly is getting for today. So guys, here done, here ready. And guess what? I will catch you in my next video. So you never know where you're gonna find me. Is either in the kitchen or in the salon. So bye. Bye for now. Bye.